Hello students, welcome back in mathematics class by Pupinder Singh. In previous video lecture, we understood integers and integers on the number line. So let us start with the next topic, addition and subtraction of the integers. There are the four properties of addition and subtraction of the integers: closure property, commutative property, associative property, and additive identity. First, we will discuss closure property. Closure property under addition and closure property under subtraction. Closure property under addition. These properties we already discussed in previous class for the whole numbers. Now same properties we will discuss for the integers. Properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Closure property. As we know, 12 plus minus 15 is equals to minus 3. That is an integer. So the sum of any two integers is an integer. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is also an integer. It means the sum of the integers is always an integer. This is the closure property under addition. Now closure property under subtraction. 17 minus 19 is equals to minus 2. That is an integer. So difference of two integers is an integer. If a and b are any two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. It means the subtraction of two integers is always an integer. So integers are closed under addition and subtraction. Here some examples are given for the addition of the integers and the subtraction of integers. Now next property is commutative property. Now what is a commutative property? First we will discuss commutative property for addition. Minus 7 plus in bracket minus 12 is equals to minus 19. Similarly, minus 12 plus minus 7 in bracket is equals to minus 19. First minus 7 on a first place, in second minus 12 on a first place. In both cases answer is same, so addition is commutative for integers. If a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is always equals to b plus a. We can conclude that addition is commutative for integers. A plus b is always equals to b plus a. Now check commutative property for the subtraction. Minus 5 minus in bracket minus 19. Open this bracket, minus 5 plus 19. That is equals to plus 14. On the right side, minus 19 minus in bracket minus 5. Open it, it's become minus 19 plus 5. That is equals to minus 14. So minus 5 minus minus 19 is not equals to minus 19 minus in bracket minus 5. So subtraction is not commutative for integers. If a and b are any two integers, then a minus b is not equals to b minus a. We can conclude that subtraction is not commutative for integers. Our next property is associative property. In associative property, we will take three integers. Minus 3 plus minus 9 in bracket plus 17. Solve the bracket, it's become minus 12 plus 17. That is equals to plus 5. On the right side, we will take last two integers in the bracket, minus 9 plus 17. Solve it, it's become minus 3 plus 8. That is equals to 5. So associative property is a plus in bracket b plus c is always equals to a plus b in bracket plus c. So addition is associative for integers. Now we will see same property for the subtraction. In square bracket -3 minus -9 square bracket close minus 17. Now first we will open the bracket. It's become minus minus plus. So in square bracket -3 plus 9 bracket close minus 17. Now in square bracket -3 plus 9 plus minus minus. So it's become plus 6 minus 17, that is equals to minus 11. On the right side we will take minus 9 and minus 17 in the square bracket. Now first we will solve square bracket. Minus minus becomes plus, so it's become minus 3 minus in square bracket minus 9 minus 17. Minus minus is plus, so minus 3 plus 26, that is equals to plus 23. So left hand side is not equals to the right hand side. So only addition is associative for the integers, not the subtraction. Now next property is the additive identity. 5 plus 0 is equals to 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. Same for the negative integer. Minus 8 plus 0 is equals to 0 plus in bracket minus 8 always equals to minus 8. It means when 0 is added to an integer or an integer is added to 0, the sum is the integer itself. So additive identity is a plus 0 is equals to a is equals to 0 plus a. It means when we add 0 to any integer, answer is the same integer. Now some tries are given. Write a pair of integer. Pair means two integers you have to write whose sum, whose addition is a part is a negative integer. You have to write the two integers whose sum is an negative integer. Take an example like minus 3 plus 2, that is equals to minus 1. B part is 0. Two integers whose sum is 0, that is minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. This is the property that we have discussed, additive inverse. In additive inverse, sum is always 0. C part. An integer smaller than the both the integers. It means you have to find the sum of two integers, but their sum less than those two integers. Take any two negative integers. Minus 2 plus minus 3. Their sum is minus 5. And minus 5 is smaller than minus 2 and minus 3. D part. An integer smaller than one of the integers. The answer should be a smaller than the one integer and greater than the second integer. Take minus 4 plus 2, that is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 4 and it is smaller than plus 2. Fifth part is an integer greater than both the integers. So take any two positive integers. 2 plus 3, that is equals to 5. So 5 is greater than both 2 and 3. Second try this. Write the pair of integer. Again pair we have to write whose difference, but this time we have to find their difference. A part is whose difference should be a negative integer. Take any two integers. Minus 5. Now their difference, so take a minus sign and take any other positive integer, that is 2. So minus minus becomes plus, so its answer is minus 7, that is an negative integer. B part. Two integers whose difference should be a 0. So 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. C part. Integer smaller than both the integers. So we have to find the difference of two integers. Answer should be smaller than these two integers. So take one negative integer, difference, and one positive integer. So open this bracket, it's become minus 2 that is equals to minus 4. Minus 4 is smaller than these both integers. Fourth part, an integer greater than only one of the integer. Answer should be greater than one integer and smaller than the another integer. So take any two integers, 4, their difference, so minus 1. Answer is 3. Now 3 is smaller than 4 and it is greater than 1. Fifth part, an integer greater than both the integers. So take one integer positive, their difference, and second negative integer. Open this bracket, minus minus plus, so it becomes 4 plus 2 that is equals to 6. So 6 is greater than both 4 and minus 2. Now on the next page, one example is given. Write down the pair of the integers. A part is the sum should be minus 3. So they are given two examples. One is a minus 1 and minus 2. Their sum is minus 3. Another example, they are taken minus 5 plus 2. Their sum is minus 3. B part, pair of integers whose difference is minus 5. You can take any two integers, like they are taken two examples. Their subtraction is minus 5. Similarly, C part is given, difference should be a plus 2. It should be a positive 2. So they are taken these two examples. D part is sum should be a 0. That is the additive inverse. So sum of minus 10 and plus 10 is 0. Sum of 5 and minus 5 is 0. Now exercise 1.2. First question. It is same as the example we had discussed. Two integers whose sum should be a minus 7. Difference should be a minus 10 and sum should be a 0. Second question. Write a pair of negative integers. So you have to write only a negative integer whose difference, whose subtraction gives answer 8. Take two negative integers, minus 2 and minus 10. We have to find the difference. Find the difference. Minus 2 minus 10. Minus minus becomes plus. So it is minus 2 plus 10. Plus minus minus 10 minus 2, 8. So that is the answer. B part. A negative integer and a positive integer whose sum, whose addition should be minus 5. So take one negative integer like minus 8, their sum, so put a plus sign, and one positive integer. Take a positive integer 3. Solve this. Plus minus minus, so 8 minus 3 is equals to minus 5. So one negative integer and one positive integer, answer is minus 5. C part. Write a negative integer and the positive integer whose difference, now this time their subtraction should be minus 3. So we will take negative integer minus 1, their difference, so minus sign, and positive integer 2. Open this bracket, it's become minus 1 minus 2, that is equals to minus 3. So one negative integer, one positive integer, their difference is minus 3. Question number 3. In a quiz competition, team A scores minus 40, 10 and 0, and team B scores 10, 0 and minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scores more? So we have to find the sum of scores of team A and sum of scores of team B. Then compare which team scores more. Then they ask, can you say that we can add integers in any order? Just rewind the properties. In properties we have discussed we can add integers in any order. Answer is always same. Now last question of this exercise. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill these blanks so that left hand side should be equals to a right hand side. First portion, left hand side -5 is given and on right hand side -8 is given. So both sides should be equal. So this side we will write -8 and this side we will write -5. You can solve this. Answer becomes -13 on both sides. Second part, -53. What we will add in -53 so that answer remains the same? So you have to add. Which property is this? Yes, this is the additive identity. When we add 0 with any integer, answer remains the same. Third part, 17 plus. What we will add to 17 so the answer should be 0. Which property is this? This is the additive inverse. So we will add -17. In fourth part, these two integers are given in square bracket. One integer is outside the bracket. On the right side, these two integers are in square bracket. One is outside the bracket. Three integers addition is given. So which property is this? This is the associative property. Now this side 13 and -12. -7 is not there. So here is a -7. And on the right side, here is a 13. It is the associative property. Similarly, question number 5. Three integers are given. So it is also a associative property. This side 15, here is a -4 and here is a -3. Now come on the first question again. Which property is this? -5, -8, -8, -5. It is A plus V is equals to V plus A. That is commutative property. Yes. So now our second exercise is completed. If you face any problem while solving these questions, then you can send your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.